Hello, it's Jono from Retra Fluid Handling Systems here, just checking out a new Lubestation which has been delivered here at our Welshpool branch for Castrol. It's one that we made at our factory in Cunderdin, which is about 2 hours to the east of Perth. This is very different to the one that came through here about 4 weeks ago, also for Castrol. The one that was through here previously was much more of a fixed plant type affair, which was plugged into some existing infrastructure, whereas this Lubestation is much more of a mobile equipment maintenance type rig. You can see in there where the operators can come through the side door, fill up what they need, and then make their way out without having to get involved inside the internals of the Lubestation, it says. But on that way, this is sort of the much more intricate part of the operations. We are only using the best equipment here from Graco, also filters from Donaldson, and as people are coming in and out of here, we've also fitted it out with some air conditioning as well. So our operators are kept nice and cool, and they have access to all the different lubes that they need to keep your mobile equipment up and running. So this is one that we're about to hit the road with, drop it off to the guys at Castrol. But if you're interested in learning anything more about the Lubestation range, then please let us know, and we'll fill you in. Cheers.